Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Rytr account online on your Android device. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Rytr account on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser as I'll be going through this internet browser of my phone. And after you open your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and type in the web address rytr.me like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Rytr like this. And now after landing over here, to log into your Rytr account, at the top right corner of the screen we can see the start writing option available over there. Tap on that start writing button like this, and over here you can see in order to use the Rytr account you will be first required to log into your Rytr account. You can see you can log into your Rytr account with your Google or your Facebook or a LinkedIn accounts from over here. If you tap on either of these buttons, or similar login page to the Google or Facebook or LinkedIn will open, and if you log into your respected platform's account, you'll be signed into the Rytr account with your Google or your Facebook or a LinkedIn account with which you have chosen to sign in. With that being said, we'll be continuing with the email, and after you tap on continue with your email, enter your email address over here like this. And after you have returned your email correctly, tap on the next button, and you can see a verification code will be available for us, and there is the send verification code option for us. Tap on that send verification code. A code will be sent to your email address or which you had written over here, and after you receive your email address, enter your code over here like this which you have received, and after entering your code, tap on verify, and you'll be able to sign into your Rytr account on your Android device. That being said guys, this is how you log into your Rytr account, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.